Hello, my dear learners. Namaskar and welcome to this channel. I am Rakesh and I have been a learner as well as a mentor. I love teaching and I love expression in English. This is my passion. This is my hobby. In this video, I am going to tell you about the series Broken and Spoken English Speaking Practice. This is the second video for beginners, of course, all of you. Now, I discussed in previous video, I told you how to speak English with fluency and how to learn English. I discussed the baby method, that is natural method. In this method, I discussed the 4 weapons to learn any language, not only English. There are 4 weapons, that is listening, speaking, reading, and last one, writing. These 4 weapons help to learn English language and any other language. To follow this method to learn this language. This method is very effective. Now So guys, I want to say that if you want to speak English with fluency, of course, you have to do this first step, that is listening skill. I want to say that if you want to speak English with fluency, you start just listening, because listening is the first key to learning language. So just focus on listening skill. Start today, improve later. This is the technique. The question arises where to go and how to find. My environment is Hindi and totally I am also Hindi medium, but don't worry, if you have a smartphone, the help of this device, you just start on YouTube channel and many videos related to English content, and you are interested those videos, just click on and watch carefully and observe the sentences. In the beginning, you will not able to understand the meaning of the speaker who is speaking about the whatever contents related to English. Just observe this and listen carefully. Slowly you will be used to this habit and boost your confidence, and you are able to speak English, and that is the step by step process. First of all, I repeat, first of all, you go on YouTube channel and search many videos related to English content and you are interested in those videos, just click on video and understand the speaker who is speaking right now and observe this, the meaning of sentences, and slowly you will be used to this habit and you have a confidence to learn this language. So every single day you start listening a skill at least 30 minutes, and your listening ability decide your speaking capacity. The more listen, the more speak. This is the technique, this is the process. So from today you just start focus on listening skill, only listening skill, and only in English medium, not any other language. Listen in English, not any other language, because you want to speak fluency in English language, not other language. After listening a skill, you can start just speaking, because speaking comes from speaking. So this is all about listening a skill. This is the best tool to learn any language, and the first step and the first weapon, first method. So follow this first step, this method to useful for to learn language. I want to speak one more thing. The same content listen aloud again and again. Only one content listen aloud again and again. This is for you. This is helpful for you. Don't fear from mistake English. Don't fear of speaking English. Don't fear of wrong English. Now, in the end, I would like to tell you next step, next weapon, that is speaking a skill. I will take about next video. So thanks for watching and carefully